Jason here in the One Button Studio Plus at the DVE store, and today I'm really excited to share with you an add-on that we've just created for our One Button Studio kits. It's called the Digital Lightboard. Now first, a little bit of history. The analog lightboard has been around for a number of years, and it looks like this here. It's essentially a large sheet of glass that's framed in, and it's got LEDs that light it from the side, and so you're able to use fluorescent markers to write on the glass like this, and they show up nice and bright, and you get a really cool effect. So essentially this is the output of an analog lightboard. So as cool as they are, there are some downsides. The number one thing I hear about them in the negative is that they're hard to clean, right? So if you got your screen filled with content and you want to do more, well, you've got to stop your video, you've got to clean the board and make sure it's very clean, because the camera is shooting right through it, and if there's any residue or any smears left, you're going to see it. So it uses up markers. I think everyone's had a frustration at one time in their lives where they're writing on a lightboard or a whiteboard, and they've got a pen and it's not working. It's running out of ink. It's just a bad experience for both the presenter and for the audience. So analog lightboards require a black or very dark background in order to be effective. So that is a limitation there. They're big and bulky and a pain to move around, heavy. They don't work with green screens, which is a bummer, because you can do some pretty cool stuff with a green screen. It gives you a lot of options. So, shooting a camera through a sheet of glass, that's a technique that's been used since the early days of cinema. But let's face it, it's old technology. There's better ways to do things now. So, oops, went a little too far. So now we come to the digital lightboard. So the digital lightboard is very compact. This is a picture of it here. It comes on a little rolling desk as part of it, and that desk is adjustable up and down to fit every presenter as needed. So we're compact. We've got no markers, just the stylus that I'm using here. So no ink to run out. We've got resizable pens, so if we want to make a mark that is larger in size for whatever reason, we can certainly do that, like so. And this is a good opportunity to showcase the eraser as well. We can easily erase anything that we want to. So another cool thing is it works with green screens. So you can change out backgrounds, and I'll do that really quickly here for you. You can see that because I'm in a One Button Studio Plus, I'm able to swap out backgrounds, and that's not possible with a regular analog lightboard. Another plus, it's not a big sheet of glass. Living near a fault line, if I'm in an earthquake, I don't want to be standing in front of a big sheet of glass, right? I'd rather be standing in front of a digital lightboard. So another benefit is that the digital lightboard is half the price of a large analog lightboard. And we've got click to clean technology. So if you have got your screen full and you need to move on and do some new content, you don't have to stop the video and clean the glass. You just got one click and you're back to a clean slate. So pretty cool. So the digital lightboard is compatible with all of our One Button Studio kits. So the basic, the green, the plus, and the pro will all work with the digital lightboard. And this is also compatible with systems that we've already sold. So if you've got one of these already and you want to add on the digital lightboard, you can do that. So the the Digital Lightboard. Here, yeah, this is it, and this is what I've been using it to make this presentation. So it's a really cool thing to be able to do, and it's a lot of fun to make these arrows too. So brought to you by onebuttonstudio.info and dvestore.com. So feel free to ask me any questions. You can reach me at jason@dvestore.com, or you can just put a comment below, and I'm happy to chat with you. So thanks a lot for watching.